is the language of Bhamati, Katyayani, Maitreyi, and in modern age that Bharati Mishra, and in modern Maitreyi it is the language of Heli Ray, it is the language of Usha Kiran Khan, and yes, it's the language of Vimarani also. So I brought Maithili and I started working on Maithili and Mithila's different rituals and traditions for non-Maithili people. So I interact with them, and I interact in three forms, where I get Maithili crowd, then I directly start in Maithili. I get more benefit because there is no need to explain what is going on. Then when I travel with Hindi non-Maithili people and Hindi people, then I interact in Hindi, and otherwise I interact in English. But the main and single motto to imbibe, to inject my Mithila, my Maithili, and my Mithila's rituals, culture, and even food, and even clothes, and even its painting. I do not know how to draw a single line, but my daughters, thankfully, they got some intuition from my mother, and my mother, she was equally good at painting and writing in the languages, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, and other things. So here also, during the COVID, I have started online solo theatre classes because I practice solo theatre. That time I got two girls from Mithila. One is in Mumbai from Mira Road, and another is from Banaras. I just asked, do you know Bonu Jha? Both the girls admitted. Mira Road girls say, yes, it's my dadi. She says, Bonu Jha ke kisse. That Banaras girl, she says, yes, my mother and even my father, both the parents, they tell the stories of Bonu Jha. I said, okay, then you bring one story, at least one story, and we will practice, and we will start, and we will make a play on Bonu Jha's that particular story. The objective is that they know the story, children, they know the story, but how to dramatize them, they don't know. So I worked with them, I practiced with them, and they, my working style is that I don't write for them. I tell them, I motivate them that they will write their script for themselves. It will be more convenient for them. So in that way, I work. Here also, like yesterday I was mentioning, when I write food, I give one recipe, food recipe of Mithila, because people they don't know if Maithili food is in a very virgin situation. I always say, tell people they come and explore and exploit the food. Okay, what is food? People know what is this ragda patties, what is this idli sambar, what is this rajma chole, but they don't know what is the dalpitri, what is Thekua Kajur, what is Menti Kajur, what is Dalpot. So my effort is to bring Mithila and whole to the non-Maithili people.
Could you please sing us a small song in Maithili and also translate it for us?
Yes. The thing is that why I came into singing and into theatre the same way, because many of the people, if I travel to the non-Maithili people, they can't read Maithili, but they can listen. And my duty is my moral responsibility to give them at least 2, 3, 4, 5 words of Maithili during my practice, during my whether it is singing performance, or whether it is theatre performance for the children or for the grown-ups, both. So I always say that if there is Bhangra, there is Garba, in Mithila there is Jhijhiya. I don't know how many people understand Jhijhiya, but the traditional, I can sing 2 lines of this.
Yes, please.
And then I'll come to children song.
Okay.
Like Shruti, I cannot sing or speak. So this is called Jhijhiya. It's a very traditional song. It is sung during Durga Puja. तो हरे भरोसे दिस गॉडेस। तो उनके लिए ये गाना है कि आप ही के भरोसे हमने एक वो झिझिया जो पॉट है वो बनाया है, आप इसमें आइए, क्योंकि आपका जो भक्त है, अबोध है, बेवकूफ है, उसको कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है, इसलिए आप आइए और आप इसको हमें भक्त को गाइड कीजिए। तो हमें लगता है कि जब हम गिरधा गाते हैं, भंगड़ा गाते हैं, उसके साथ साथ झिझिया भी हम लोगों को एम्पायर करें, हमको बताएं। Similarly, when I work with the children, lots of proverbs which we say in Maithili, Hakara, is in our day-to-day life. People, or especially women, they speak. My mother used to tell enormous Hakara. When I came here, then I collected all the Hakara at most, और उनको मिला करके मैंने गीत बनाने की कोशिश की। एंड उसके बाद उस गीत में हमारे यहाँ ये कहा जाता है कि each and every step there are songs. There is one theatre director of Maithili, Kunal. He says that during the wedding, for the groom, for each and every step, his step, there is one song. He'll go for bathing, there is song. He'll come out, there is song. He'll go to toilet, there is song. He'll come back, there is song. He'll eat, there is song. He'll clean his hands and mouth, there is song. So every time there is song. So when in this beautiful swimming pool, when we were children, there was one song, and floating, swimming pool, floating is little bit scary because we are sitting in the sky and water is there behind us. So how to go float and how to go for floating? So we used to sing a Hakara, that Hakara. Usme there was a question answer. So suppose I'll ask Neha, can you give me a little broken rice? So this broken rice is called in Maithili खुदी। खुद जैसे कहते हैं ना, खुदी को कर बुलंद होता, तो खुदी नहीं, खुदी, KHUEI, खुदी means broken rice, और कनी means a little, देवे means can you give. So there was question answer. Can you give me a little broken rice? So you will answer me why. So I will say for Pareva. Pareva means pigeon, kabuktar. Then he will mischievous me. Your pigeon is died. Who said? Wash your hand. Okay. So what I should do? Shall I die? Die? Who cares? And then we just pat our chest and float in the pond. This is the pattern. I collected that because it was remember. So I wrote this line, but I felt that this is incomplete. So I added some of the lines into that. My kabutar, my pigeon is alive. So he said lie. So he should be punished. When I am going to punish him, then his wife comes and says, please forgive me. And then person says, okay, I forgive, but warn him that he should not tell lie. तो ये इसको ये पूरे गीत में, और मैं आपसे और आपसे भी जी, क्योंकि कल हमने आपको सुनाया था, तो अब वो क्वेश्चन आंसर तनी खुदी देवे कथीला कथीला कथी कथी कथीला तनी खुदी देवे कथीला परवाला 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 तोहर परवा मर गयो तोहर परवा मर गयो ये कर दो वो भूलिया तोहर परवा मर गयो के कर दो भूलिया छाती पीट के मर जाओ छाती पीट के मर जाओ अब इसके बाद ये मर जाओ मैं जो तब उसके बाद होगा नहीं मरबो मार के वो धोबिया नहीं मरबो मार के वो धोबिया दौड़ भागला पे धोबिया his wife. दौड़ भागला मैं धोबिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के मलकिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के मलकिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के धोबिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के धोबिनिया, कर दही धोबी के धोबिनिया, झूठ नहीं बाजे ने धोबिनिया, झर नहीं देवी के धोबिनिया, झूठ नहीं बाजे धोबिनिया, तनी खुदी दे बे कथिला, तनी खुदी दे बे कर, आप मेरे साथ गा सकते हैं, तनी खुदी दे बे, तनी खुदी दे बे, परवाला 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 परवाला, तो परवा मार गयो, के ताको, गाइस, तो परवा मार गयो के ताको, छाती पीट के मर जाओ, छाती पीट के मर जाओ, नहीं मरो मर के धोबिया, नहीं मरो मर के धोबिया, दौड़ भागना मैं धोबिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के मलकिनिया, दौड़ भागना मैं धोबिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के मलकिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के धोबिनिया, छोड़ दियो धोबी के धोबिनिया, कर दही धोबी के धोबिनिया, झूठ मूठ बाजे ने धोबिनिया।
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब। और इन्होंने ये भी बताया था कि वो बचपन में जिन बच्चों को फ्लोट करने से डर लगता था, वो ये गाना गा के फ्लोट कर लेते थे आराम से।
हाँ, जैसे मैंने भी सीखा वैसे ही फ्लोट करना, अदरवाइज नहीं सीख पाती। ये गाना नहीं होता तो शायद मैं नहीं सीख पाते, और पानी होता था, डर लगता था, तो
थैंक यू
थैंक्स सो मच।